Imagine hiccuping every day for 68 years. That's what happened to Charles Osborne, who holds the record for the longest hiccup attack in history. This bizarre medical mystery started in 1922, during the Roaring Twenties, and continued until 1990, outlasting the Great Depression, World War II, the Civil Rights Movement, and the Cold War. Osborne's relentless hiccuping began when he was attempting to weigh a hog for slaughter, an everyday farm task that triggered an extraordinary and unending bodily reaction. Doctors were puzzled and treatments were futile. His condition persisted at a rate of 20 to 40 hiccups per minute, totaling over 430 million hiccups throughout his lifetime. Despite this incessant ordeal, Osborne managed to live a relatively normal life, demonstrating incredible resilience in the face of an inexplicable phenomenon that remains a medical enigma to this day.